Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to tear down or disassemble the Oneplus Nord mobile phone for repairs. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray, then followed by the battery cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once you feel the opening is enough, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. First, it needs to take out the mainboard protector frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Take out the protector cover and start from the left hand side. Disconnect the battery plug, charger plug, main flex plug, LCD connector plug and two antennas. There are 4 rear cameras on Oneplus Nord. Let's start disconnecting it. It is a 4-in-1 unit. As we have noticed, it can replace individually with some work. Next, loosen the adhesive and take out both front cameras. There are 2 more screws to undo towards to lift in the logic board, and then you can take out the board. Apply a little heat to take out the speaker. Let's move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws for taking out the PCB protective cover, including the speaker. Keep aside the cover and start disconnecting the main flex cable end, antenna, LCD flex end, fingerprint bracket connector, and then Touch ID plug. There is one more screw on the PCB board. Unscrew it and take out the board. Now we can take out the battery, loosen the adhesive on sides and pull it by the red tab on the right hand side. Next, move the battery protector tapes to the left hand side and start removing the flex cables. Plus, do not forget to loosen the adhesive strip on edge before stripping the flex cables out. Starting from the right hand side, first is the LCD flex, then followed by the main flex cable, and finally the charger port flex. To remove the Touch ID and fingerprint bracket, you need to apply a little heat to loosen the adhesive. Take out the Touch ID and Touch ID bracket and followed by the vibrator motor. This concludes the teardown guide for repairs. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.